Peter, music o tsamaya so le so. Don't take drugs, don't take talent or all those things, man. Ba shape ka mafoko a massive.
Yeah, I bafethu ntho nna nka le botsang yona gore bafethu modimo wa phela wa ntshwara. So modimo wa phela bafethu, don't give up. Stop listening to people who are long but music, you will only succeed through the Illuminati and everything. Bafethu lefatshe le ke la modimo bafethu. You just have to know that. Focus more music on how if you love music. And then stop on dieting like you find it dope when you go to the studio or high and everything. Buffett, work. If you have the talent, Buffett, you have the talent. Stop drinking drugs or smoking anything or if you go studio, you'll find yourself dope. Buffett, if you have a talent, you have a talent, Buffett. You are gifted. You feel like forget drugs. So Buffett, now I was pushing Buffett. I was pushing since from 2019 there. 2019 ke mo loreng ke thomile kena studio bafethu. I've been struggling wa bona ho kena studio batho ba re ko ba ka mara di studio tsa bona. So bafethu, focus on your talent. Doesn't matter if motho go ba ko studio, just find something bafethu, find something or find someone o loreng wa mona hore o supportive and then build something le yena bafethu. Na he ke le mo le nna ke le mo interviewing, I'm not alone. I also have my gang, Eloringi, Igutembi Sada. I'm currently in Pretoria, Bagotembi Sada, which is shut down and Tlemza. Those are my producers, Bafetu, and also my friends and brothers. So Bafetu work with people valoring by Kemisedi Mopilo. They wanna succeed. Oscar Spanal Bachvaloringi, you can see her like a Babata Madia House Bafetu. The talent that you have, so don't let Satan just because of joining the Illuminati and everything, Prophet. Believe in yourself, and I'm definitely sure you're gonna succeed. Even though I'm still struggling, but I have that hope here one day you guys will see me on TV. So Prophet, let's just pray every day and then make sure like batswadi ba hao ba fetše because batswadi ba hao ba fetše ko badimo ba hao wa ntshwara ke badimo ba hao ba mo lefatsheng. Respect your parents and then you'll see everything it will via ka nako e sharp, like everything it will via ka like smoothly wa fetše wa ntshwara. So yeah, that's the words I have for them. Then yeah, thank you very much.
A re batswadi bao ke badimo ba gago ba mo lefatsheng. A break. No, this one is deep.
Yeah, it's deep.
Break it for them. Hore. Like
batswadi ba hao ke badimo ba hao ba mo lefatsheng. The reason why I'm saying that is because motswadi wa hao ke ena motho o lorong o tlisitse mo lefatsheng. So without motswadi wa hao or batswadi ba hao, you don't have any life. Ke bona ba loreng they started all the process e loreng ba o tlisa mo lefatsheng. So basically you are living today just because of them. If they wanted to take your life, ngabe ba yentseng tsheo. Ke badimo ba hao ba mo lefatsheng. Even though we know hore o hopa ke modimo and then everything e etsahala, but e etsahala through batswadi ba hao. So make sure you respect your parents, bafethu. And in this world, even if wa faila everywhere ko skela, for example, if you faila ko skela wa palwa ko skela, but if your parents are happy, bafethu, they are happy hore wena wa respect ka mo ntlong a o ba ke mashata, you'll succeed. Even though our kena skela a ona degree a ona eng, bafethu thabisa motswadi wa hao, respecta motswadi wa hao. Motswadi a thabise ke tšhelete bafethu, motswadi o thabisa ke respect ya hao bafethu, ka mokgwa like o bontshang boyena mo bathong ba bangwe ka montle. So make sure bafethu hore motswadi wa hao o sharp wa bona. So e ka mokgwa
yeah,
motswadi wa hao ke Modimo wa hao wa mo lefatsheng.
No, yes. We do.
So,
Ba bang they can make an excuse ne, ba re rona ga rena batswadi ne,
yeah,
ba tsene bao ba reng bone ga bana batswadi ba tlhatlhamole le bona
like abana batswadi, like total.
ya go ta bana batswadi motho ana mama ana papa
Yeah, yona e na le ho iragala ka mokgwa o be maybe unfortunately, so ye le yona a se bad luck wa bona. You will still live because a ke re ho na le di-spirits, ho na le di-souls. So basically they are alive, they see you wa bona, even though wena o ba bone, they can see you.
Yeah.
So bafethu, remember mmele se mmele fela wabo. So you have to believe, even le mo Modimo, you believe, and then when you believe you can see your things happening. So basically if you believe, or my parents are watching me wherever they are, obviously they are watching you wabo. That belief that you have for God is the belief that you should have for your parents ba loreng maybe abasale mo lefatsheng wa bona. And then there's the reason ya gore why batswadi ba hao ba tlhokofetse or batswadi ba hao ba stay. So o ska ba le ntho ya mona or wa ba le ntho gore like Modimo a o rate wabo, because Modimo, one thing about God, a ka so be ka mara situation e le gore o ka se emele. God knows or if maybe nka ba tsetse witho motswadi, maybe nka ba witho to ya sa phele, because witho na ka be strong enough a sa lo monyano gore a emele situation eo wa bona. So bafethu, Modimo ntho engwe le ngwe a tlisa mo bophelong ba hao o e tlisa ka reason. He knows very well or you will survive the situation. So tell yourself or you are strong. If you don't have any parents, tell yourself that you're strong. You are living today, maybe you are in your 20s. You are strong, bafethu. Some of us ne ka se fihle mo re leng teng because why? Batswadi. If now I'm telling you guys today, or if nka be nna ke sena batswadi, ke sure maybe nka be ke tsuba di-drugs ke le nyaopisa, or nka be maybe ke le jele or ke tlhokofetse, because now I see purpose ya bona ka e bona gore like impeile kae. So if you see yourself o sa keleza, o sharp, you are somewhere in life, you're not smoking, but you don't have any parents, it shows that they are guiding you spiritually. So don't worry too much, bafethu. Don't worry too much.
Yeah, we do. Wa tla wa ikgotla jo. Wa tla wa ikgotla. I mean, I have no words.
Ke witho man. So guys, ke tlo le ntshetsa Modimo wa Bakhari o tlhoka batswadi. Ke Modimo wa Bakhari pina teng.
Ke bonus ne?
Ke bonus ela.
Modimo wa Bakhari o tlhoka batswadi. And please go and stream. Please go and stream and support We Do.
Yeah, ba support, mara ke ba bona ba support ko Chavela Bakhari 1632. I like that, guys. Yeah. Ke bona support le no ko Chavela Bakhari 1632. Ke bona support, guys. And then no ke tlo ntshetsa Modimo wa Bakhari. So
So we do,
guys.
if ba batla go buka ne ko di eventeng di party ba ka o thola kae?
If ba batla mbuka for di party le di event ba ka nthola mo number phone ya ka ya WhatsApp, also for the call ke berekisa ka WhatsApp le di call wabo.
Ba hlabe ka yona
cell phone number ya ka e re 078 075 6052.
la bofelo
e re ke repeat hape 078 075 6052.